Welcome to the fourth episode of Learn 30 Tools in Fusion 360 while designing this pen. In today's video, we are going to add handle to the cap that we have created in the first episode. On the go, we will be learning sweep and loft tools. Let us open the cap. I'm closing the data panel. So this is a cap that we have created in the first episode. I'm going to the visual style and bringing it to the shaded mode. So to this I'm going to add a handle. So I'm switching on the origin and I'm taking one of the origin planes as my sketching plane. Because I want the handle this way, I've chosen this plane. I'm going to sketch. Here again I'm going to keep it in the wireframe mode. I'm going to the spline option. What spline option does is it allows us to draw continuous curves. So this is a very good tool if it is a freestyle drawing. So you can see till which point it is coming. It's almost till outside of the surface of pen. Now I'm going to construct tool and construct a plane which goes along this path. So it will be, you can move it along the path of the spline perpendicular to it. So here I have stopped it, and on this plane I'm going to draw a profile. I'm going for the ellipse option. So this is not according to exact dimensions. Here comes a great tool. I'm going to create. Let me keep it in the shaded mode. So I'm going to create and go for sweep option. In the sweep option, first I need to select a profile, that is the cross section, and I'm going to sweep it along a path, that is this cross section will be wound along this path. So instead of cut, I'm going to keep it as join, or rather new body, because I can perform more operations later if it is an independent body. So you can see how it has come. Now I'm saying OK. Can you see the small gap which lies between this handle and the cap? So I'm just switching on these two sketches of the spline as well as the profile. In Fusion 360, we have a great option to dynamically change the sketch without entering the sketch mode. So here you can see how I have modified, and all the other tools also have been modified dynamically. That is the sweep option. It is showing the sweep according to the moved path. So now again I'm going to move it still because it has come a little bit inside. So now it looks perfect. So in the visual style, I'm in the shaded mode. You can see it has come well. So now I am switching on the sketch. This looks a little bit thick. So now I'm going to change the cross section, and you can see that dynamically everything is getting changed. The complete sweep option. The cross section at each location of the path is being changed dynamically. But actually if you see, the cross section varies at each point of this handle in a true pen. This is because it facilitates us to hold it in the pocket. So I'm going to suppress this feature for the time being. Suppressing feature will not delete the feature, but for the time being it becomes invisible to us. So again I'm switching on this, and along this path I'm going to create some more planes. So randomly I'm picking some points. And here finally I want another plane. So I'm going to draw different cross sections on all these planes. So using these sketching planes, I'm going to draw different profiles. So here are my different profiles. Now I'm going to use a new tool which will help me to blend each cross section into the other by using this path. So here I'm going to create and Loft tool. In this dialog box, it is first asking me to select the profiles. So these are the 4 profiles that I'm going to choose. So now that I have connected all these profiles, I'm going to select a center line. So this is going to be my center line. So all these profiles will be combined together along this cross section. So now I'm going to switch off these sketches, and you can see how I've got this handle with different cross sections but following the same path. So here I'm going to suppress this part now, and I'm going to compare my older handle, and now I can keep the one that I need and suppress the other one. So but currently I'm not deleting anything. I have only suppressed the sweep option because I'm more satisfied with this loft profile.